Hey, welcome back to Check Out the Rileys. I just want to show you something that I always notice here in the Philippines. We're at a place to pick up food, and I backed in the car here by the door, but there's no lines or anything showing where to park at or anything. But I park, and I parked here first. You see how much space I left between me and that car? So the next person that comes in, who has all that space to park in, see how close they park to my car? And I see this time after time, and I always wonder, why do they, I mean, they got a little bitty car, I understand, but look at all that room they got. There's room over there, there's room over there to park, but they park right, I mean, they barely could open their door. They were so close to me. Why do you think they do that stuff? And it's not just here. It's all over the place. I see it. It's over and over. I get this. But I don't understand. I mean, they don't like their car. They wanted it dented up, or what's going on? What do you guys think? Tell me your opinion. Anyways, till next time, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share if you choose to. Later.